Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where two finger scroll is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure, towards the solution. Basically, it's just a setting that is disabled. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select touchpad. Expand this option for scroll and zoom, and then check if you have this option to drag two fingers to scroll. Make sure that it is checked. If it is unchecked, two finger scroll will not work. This is the option you need to check for the two finger scroll to work. Other than this, make sure that the touchpad is on. The touchpad is should be on, otherwise it won't work. And obviously, if it doesn't work even after that, then you can search for device manager. Open device manager, expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update all of them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.